Hello everyone, I am Pradeep from Andhra Pradesh, Nellore. I have joined in Qspiders in the year 2022 December. As soon as I joined here, and I have taught manual testing by Umashankar sir and Core Java by Manjunath sir and SQL by Chandalaka madam and also Selenium by Mamta madam. They have taught me in a way that I can understand very clearly that. And basically I am from a non-technical background, namely as BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration. Initially I thought it would be more tough to get a job in IT field. As far as I completed my classes, I have daily attended the presentations and also cleared my mock as well. After doing the presentations only, I was standard very confidently in my interviews. So I would recommend you to do the presentations very most probably. And also, if you clear the mocks, we will be more possible to the HRs to add us to the requirements. So we can formulate our ideal requirements through HRs. And also faculties are very attentive and they will help us to any extent to get that interview cleared. Finally, with the help of the Qspiders HRs and also faculties, I have cleared that interview in a company, most reputed company called Microland. Designation was that tech support with a package of 2.6 LPA, and our work location is at Mumbai. And now, as of now, I recommend you to join in the Qspiders branch Hebbal. Why? Because comparing to everywhere, the Qspiders branch is very attentive and very approachable to the students. As of my personal experience, I am telling that. And also we have placed in many people have placed from the branch. This branch have got many number of students placed in recordingly. And I suggest you to join in this branch as soon as possible to kickstart your career through a safe way. I am very grateful to thank all the faculties, including non-teaching faculties and also teaching faculties in the Qspiders Hebbal branch. Thank you.